when you have crash 150, please pay attention to it. Pay attention to it. Like this is what we have here now. All right, so you need to check what the lot size is, the lowest lot size of which it can take. Now when you check this, it did not go, which means you don't have 0.5, 2 or 1, unlike crash 500 and boom 500. Because I'm doing all those things so that you will not go and make series of mistakes. Okay, now let me just see if I can place a trade for you to see how it moves. Okay, now let me just place a trade. Let me just enter a sell. I transferred just either few this thing here. Now this is what I have here now. So if you check this thing, one of the things you need to consider when placing a trade on something is how fast the thing is counting. Now if you use this 0.50, which is 0.50 cents, and you place a trade, now the fastness determines, now it has dropped, but go and check the length of it. Then you understand something, that this thing can give you money when it drops faster. Like when it has something heavy coming on it, it's going to drop more than this. So you use this one, is also safe, unlike crash 300, because crash 300 is more volatile, more fast, that the more it delays to drop, it will affect your capital, and also it can also give you what you want if you are scalping and you're able to take your money very fast. Like some people who always depend on, I don't know if I can call it strategy for them to trade. That is one of the risks you can also take when you don't really know what Forex is all about. Because if all your trust and everything you are depending on is on strategy, you will only be making profit by luck, because you will enter markets today and lose every profit you have made tomorrow. That is what strategy can do for you. But when you have a proper knowledge of what Forex is all about, you will know that Forex is all about movement. So that is why you need to learn Forex and be sure that what you learned, you will practice it, because it's not something you just wake up and start trading. And don't assume that with huge capital you cannot lose it. No amount is too heavy for you to lose as long as you are trading in ignorance. No amount is too heavy for you to lose as long as you are trading in ignorance, because ignorance is too expensive. You can labor and waste everything. So I urge you and also beg you to learn Forex in a proper way, so that it can give you what you want, because any money you lost, you may never recover it. Some are in a serious debt today just because of trading without proper knowledge. It's too risky to trade without knowledge. Look at it. Look at how fast this thing is. So when you are trading with this, please also be very, very careful. Also very, very careful. Can you see it has dropped again? When you are trading with this thing, also very, very careful. Also very, very careful. Some will say this is not this is not foreign real account. Some will say it's demo. I don't know your mindset. You are learning something and you are focusing on criticizing instead of you to jump in and benefit from it. But let me tell you and teach you what you can be doing with this very crash 150, because it's a very lucrative one if you manage it very, very well. Now go to this place. No matter what you are doing, don't ever joke with moving average. Now just use moving average 8, or for clarity purpose, you can bring it down to 5. Using moving average 5, exponential shift 0, apply to close. Now when you have it, this is what you have here. Now there is something you need to understand that most of us may not really understand. Look at this thing here, and look at this. Why do I have to put this thing? So that you understand it. Now let me bring an arrow from this very place and show you something. Now look at this arrow. Then I'm going to change this moving average here. Now I'm going to change it to 8, because I want you to learn something that will be very, very good to you. Now did you see something here? Now why do I have to shift this thing to 8 and also leave the arrow there? Is because some of you may not know that each time this thing crosses above the 8 lines, it is a kind of convincing strategy or signal that this market may change direction, most especially when you are trading with a low account like this one I'm using to do practice, like this one I'm using now. So when you are trading with this and you notice that when you have this moving average 8 on this crash 150, you notice that this thing have crossed this line, that it have crossed this line. once it have crossed this line, like it have shifted across this line, it's a sign that this market may waste a little bit time before dropping back to the line again. But in as much as it have not touched this line, then you should know that there is still strength for it to keep pushing down. That's number one. The number two is this. Each time the market is approaching this very line is a sign that it may drop backward. Are you getting it? So which means that it's a signal to you that this market may drop. Most especially when you follow the market squarely and understood what it means to study the market structure, because this is where the issue is. When I'm talking, it looks as if I am not doing the needful, but everyone that understood what market is all about should know that what I'm telling you is what will give you money. Now, I dropped this line here. I dropped this line for you to learn something, because at moving average 5, it crossed it a little bit before it dropped. But with moving average 5 and moving average 8, it stays on the line. It stays on the line. Like if this thing should go like this now and cross this thing without pulling backward, then I will go to my 1 hour time frame, possibly check my 1 hour time frame and see if there is a need for it to drop. Like whatever you see that is happening there is as a result of this thing you're seeing here. So which means that the candle that is trending in 1 hour time frame is a bearish candle, which gives me more opportunity to hold further, except there is a change. If this resistance zone if this support zone want to become so strong that they will not allow it to go beyond the already existing line. Are you getting it? But for you to confirm that, you need to check what is going on in your 4 hours time frame. So what does that mean? If you go to your 4 hours time frame, you understand something, that this thing has been trading in this way. Then I always tell my students, consider the size of the candle before you want to hold further, depending on your account. Consider the size of the candle, which is the strength of the market already. Like if you check this candle now, you will notice that this thing has been pushing at this very point. Then also read the hours that this candle has spent. This is one of the lectures we'll go through in our mentorship class. Always read what this candle is saying. Like if this candle just changed within an hour, then within 15 minutes or 20 minutes, it has spent more than this. What it means is that within next 30-40 minutes, this candle can be pushing to a point that it will end up something like this. Let me show you how it may look like. It may end up with something like this. Do you get it? What it means is that since it pushed with all the strength at this very point, the higher the market pushed down within a short period of time, the more it moves upward, because the size of the candle is completed. So every other strength remaining, it will be moving from, if it goes like this, the market will push it downward and it keep moving within a period of time. Within that 4 hours of time, it will be going up and down, which most times in our small account, we may not understand it that way. Are you following? So this is one of the things you should learn. Now look at what I told you. It crossed this place, then it pushed. But because there is this buyers want to take over the market, they are still fighting. Are you getting it? Then if you check this very 8 line, you will see that it is curving, showing you that they want to take over the market. So with this moving average 8, then you use another moving average to confirm what you are doing. Use moving average 21 to be sure of a circle, too convincing that you are not going to miss out. Use moving average 21 to balance what you are looking for. What does that mean? If it goes between this and this one crosses between this, then know it that these markets have changed direction, most especially in this boom crash 150. Are you there? So now look at it here, because I'm going to be showing you some example. Look at it here. So it crossed there and it moved to that direction. Now look at what we have again. Did you see it? It has returned to the market. Now this is what we also have here. I am just showing you. Look at it. Just look at it. Can you see it? It's still pushing. Look at it. It's still pushing. So when we talk, it looks as if we are wasting our time. But when you follow it, I'm using this thing as an experiment. If not, once I've studied the market, I've put in like 4-5 positions which gives me something like $10, $15, depending on what this small account can carry. You know, this thing is very simple. So price 150, boom, 150 is an open place for anyone that want to make profit this season. Learn it, practice it, and start cashing out. Is very, very simple. So use the strategy I'm giving out now is price 500, moving average 150, moving average 5 or 8, then use 21 to confirm your claim. Let me balance it here. Since this thing crossed over here, check it, it has never moved across it again in 5 minutes time frame. So this is a goal to everyone hoping to trade. This is a goal. Are you getting it? So anyone that wish to do the forex business should learn those things. This is a goal. Then secondly, if you go to 1 minute time frame, push backward like this, then check somewhere here. You understand what I'm saying perfectly. So 21 and 8 moving average is one of the fastest thing you can use. Now let me balance my claim also, because I don't tell you what I don't know. I told you that if you are using 8 moving average and this thing crossed over here, then if it crossed, it's a sign that the market is about to take over. But use 21 moving average for you to be sure. Look at it. If it crossed the 21 moving average, it may also drop, but don't relax at that very moment, because if you check the momentum of the market and find out that it is resting on a support zone, something like this, then you need to know that you need to close that market as fast as possible. Then if you are thinking of entering, you should know that you should not even think of entering at that very point. Then that is what you need to do, and the market will be always favorable to you. So do this and thank me later. My name is GDFX, and also want to beg you to subscribe to our channel and also do the needful. If you are looking for a mentor and you are struggling with forex, every time you are losing, you are now frustrated, you don't know what else to do, you just feel like giving up, and you think that everyone creating content is a scammer, all they want is just to take your money. Please get that thing off from your mind, because that is not true. There are people who can help you in this forex, and your life will never remain the same. My name is GDFX. See you, and join our forex trading platform. It's going to help you, and you will not regret this. Try crash 150 with a good lot size, and you will smile home today. Thank you.